Are you having trouble sending messages on Instagram? Have you been experiencing the frustration of being unable to communicate with your friends and family for the past few days? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix your issue with Instagram not sending messages. I'll provide step-by-step instructions that will help get your messages back up and running again quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and check if you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. If you are not using the latest version of the app, simply update it because updates fix these kinds of issues with the app. Once you've updated your Instagram app, check whether or not that has fixed your issue. If it didn't fix your issue and you still can't send messages, then just delete the Instagram app from your phone and then reinstall it. If your Instagram app has any bugs or corrupted data, this will clear all of those things, and you'll have a fresh new app ready to go. But if you are still encountering this issue, then open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on Help, then Report a Problem, and then tap Report a Problem without shaking. And then tap here. So now all you have to do next is briefly explain what's going on. Just tell them that you are having an issue and can't send messages for 3 days, and tell them to please fix it as soon as they can. And also, you can tap on the Upload button and attach a screenshot of your issue. After you've done all of that, tap on Send at the top right corner of the screen to submit this report. So now, hopefully, the Instagram team will look into your issue and fix it for you within a day or two. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.